Hello, my name is Emma, and welcome to today's English listening and shadowing practice. In this session, you will listen, and then repeat after me. Speak clearly, speak confidently, and don't worry about mistakes. Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. And let's begin. This morning, I woke up at 6:30. The room was quiet and peaceful. The sunlight was coming through the window, slowly, softly. I stretched my arms, and sat up in bed. For a few seconds, I just sat there, thinking about my day. Today, I have a lot to do. But I don't feel stressed. I feel calm, and ready. I walk to the kitchen. The floor feels a little cold. I turn on the light, and start making coffee. The smell of coffee fills the room. It makes me feel awake and comfortable. While the coffee is brewing, I look at my phone. I have 2 new messages. One from my friend Sarah. And one from my coworker. Sarah says, "Good morning. Are you free this weekend?" I smile. I type back, "Yes, maybe Saturday afternoon." Now, repeat after me. Good morning. Are you free this weekend? Pause. Yes, maybe Saturday afternoon. Very good. After breakfast, I get dressed for work. Today, I am wearing a light blue shirt and black pants. I look at myself in the mirror. I take a deep breath. And I say quietly, "Today will be a good day." Repeat after me. Today will be a good day. Excellent. I leave my apartment at 7:30. The air outside is fresh, and a little cool. Birds are singing, in the trees. I walk to the bus stop. There are already 3 people waiting. A woman is reading a book. A young man is listening to music. And an older man is checking his watch. The bus arrives at 7:40. The doors open, slowly. I step inside. And say, "Good morning." The driver smiles and says, "Good morning." Repeat after me. Good morning. Good morning. Great job. I find a seat near the window. As the bus moves, I watch the city wake up. Shops are opening. People are walking quickly. Cars are stopping at red lights. I feel peaceful. I like watching people. It makes me feel connected to the world. Now repeat. I feel peaceful. I like watching people. Very nice. At 8:15, I arrive at my office building. The building is tall and made of glass. The doors slide open automatically. Inside, it smells clean and fresh. I walk to the elevator. Press the button. And wait quietly. The elevator arrives. Ding. The doors open. I step inside. And press the number 6. The elevator moves up, slowly. My heart feels steady. I am ready to start my day. Repeat after me. I am ready to start my day. Perfect. When I enter the office, my coworker James looks at me and says, "Hey Emma, how are you today?" I smile and reply, "I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?" James says, "I'm good, just a little tired." I laugh softly. I understand. Mondays are always hard. Now repeat. How are you today? I'm doing well, thank you. Just a little tired. Excellent pronunciation. We sit down at our desks. I turn on my computer. The screen lights up. I check my email. There are 5 new messages. One message is important. It's from my manager. He writes, "Please send the report before noon." I nod quietly. Okay. I will finish it soon. Repeat after me. Please send the report before noon. Very good. I open the report file and start reading carefully. I focus on the numbers. I correct small mistakes and make the sentences clearer. Time passes slowly, but I stay concentrated. At 10:30, I take a short break. I stand up, stretch my back, and walk to the break room. There, I pour a glass of water and look out the window. The sky is bright blue. Clouds are moving gently. For a moment, I feel grateful. Repeat after me. I feel grateful. Beautiful. This is the end of part 1. In part 2, we will continue Emma's day with an unexpected situation at work. Take a deep breath. Practice this part 2 or 3 times. Focus on pronunciation, rhythm, and confidence. I'll see you in part 2. Hello again, my name is Emma. Welcome back to your English listening and shadowing practice. Take a slow breath in and slowly breathe out. Relax and focus. Let's continue the story. After looking at the bright blue sky, I finish my glass of water and walk back to my desk. I sit down, open the report again, and continue working carefully. At 11:15, my phone suddenly rings. The sound surprises me. I look at the screen. It's my manager. I answer the call. Hello, this is Emma speaking. My manager sounds serious. Emma, we have a small problem. I feel a little nervous, but I stay calm. What happened? I ask quietly. He says, the client meeting has been moved to 11:45. I look at the clock. It's already 11:20. That means the meeting will start in 25 minutes. My heart beats a little faster. Repeat after me. The meeting will start in 25 minutes. Good. My manager continues. We need you to present the report today. For a second, I feel completely silent. Me? Present today? I take a slow breath. Of course. I can do that. Even though I feel nervous. I want to sound confident. Repeat after me. I can do that. Excellent. I quickly review the report. I check the numbers again. I practice the first few sentences quietly. This report shows our sales growth. Customer satisfaction has improved. Repeat slowly. This report shows our sales growth. Customer satisfaction has improved. Very good. At 11:40, we enter the meeting room. The room is bright. There is a long table and a large screen on the wall. 3 clients are already sitting there. They smile politely. I smile back, trying to hide my nervousness. My manager introduces me. This is Emma, she prepared the report. All eyes turn toward me. For a moment, everything feels quiet. I take a deep breath and begin. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for being here today. Repeat after me. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for being here today. Perfect. As I speak, my voice feels a little shaky at first. But then, I start feeling more comfortable. I explain the numbers clearly. I speak slowly and look at the clients while talking. One client nods. Another writes notes. This makes me feel more confident. Repeat. I feel more confident. Very nice. Halfway through the presentation, one client asks a question. Can you explain this part again? For a second. My mind feels blank. But I stay calm. Yes, of course. I explain the information in a simpler way. Slowly, clearly. The client smiles. Thank you, that makes sense. Relief fills my chest. Repeat after me. That makes sense. Excellent. Finally. The presentation ends. I say. Thank you for your time. The clients clap softly. My manager looks pleased. Great job, Emma, he says quietly. I smile. This time, a real smile. Inside. I feel proud. Repeat. I feel proud. Beautiful. After the meeting. I return to my desk. The nervous feeling is gone. Now. I feel stronger. I learned something important today. Even when you feel afraid, you can still succeed. Confidence doesn't come first. Action comes first. Repeat slowly. Action comes first. Very powerful. At 5 o'clock. I leave the office. The sun is beginning to set. The sky is orange and pink. I walk slowly to the bus stop. Today was unexpected. But it was good. Very good. As I sit on the bus, I think quietly. Today, I grew a little stronger. Repeat after me. Today, I grew a little stronger. Wonderful. When I arrive home, I take off my shoes and sit on the couch. I close my eyes for a moment. I whisper softly. Tomorrow will be another good day. Take a deep breath. You did an excellent job today. Practice this story again, 2 or 3 times. Focus on rhythm, pronunciation, and emotion. Slow English, clear voice, steady breathing. This is Emma. And I'll see you in the next lesson.